Hello students, I am Ramanan. இந்த வீடியோல CBSE Class 10 R.D. Sharma Solutions Exercise 5.1 question number 7 பார்க்க போறோம். This is an important question. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate. So we are given two subdivisions. Before doing these two subdivision, we have to find what are all the side values of the given right triangle. Okay. Let us fix the vertices. This is A and this is B and this is C. Okay. There is no instructions given in the sum regarding this right triangle. So as we like, we can place vertices on this right triangle. Okay. So given ratio in the sum is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay. As we know the ratio of cot theta, base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. And also this is cot theta is reciprocal of tan. Okay. So base is here. The location of theta is in here. Okay. Theta is set on vertex C. So base is 7 and opposite side or perpendicular is 8. So now we have to find the value of hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So we are having value for AB and BC. So AC square is equal to AB 8 square and BC 7 square. So 8 square is 64 and 7 square is 49. So sum of these two values are AC square is equal to 113. So we want only AC, right? AC is equal to square root of 113. So AC is equal to root of 113. Now we are going to find a value of first subdivision. Okay. To solve this first subdivision, we have to find separately sin theta and cos theta. So we can find the value of sin theta now, whereas theta is located at C. Okay. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, 8 by 113. Okay. Also for cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So by looking at the numerator, this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, right? So we know the identity of A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square, right? So B square here, sin square. So also we can find the sin square value too. Okay. Sin square value 64 by 113, whereas 8 square 64. Root 13 into root 13 is 113. Okay. Root 113 and root 113 is equal to 113. So numerator value is ready now. So as well as we have to find the value of denominator value too. So we are having the same structure in denominator also. A minus B into A plus B. So 1 minus cos square theta. So we need the value of cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 7 square 49, denominator root of 113 square is 113. So we have been find it all the value for numerator and denominator. Now we are going to substitute in this 1 square minus sin square theta. Okay, divided by 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 square is 1, sin square theta we have 64 by 113 whole divided by 1 minus 49 divided by 113. So by cross multiplicating, 113 minus 64 divided by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. Now we can get cancelled 113 and this 113. So the simplified value of numerator is, so numerator we are having 49 as answer, denominator we are having 64 as answer. Okay. Most important thing to simplify the numerator and denominator is only way is this. Okay. Remember, without doing mistake, you have to do this. The next subdivision is 2. In subdivision 2, it was given that cot square theta. So we know that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. Okay, tan theta. We can replace this tan theta by 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta. After reciprocating this value, numerator gets cos theta and denominator gets sin theta. Okay, so if you want in further reference, we can replace the cot theta as cos by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. So we know the value of both of these ratios, right? From the previous subdivision and as well as from this given diagram, we can find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, so we want to find the cot square theta, right? First we can find cot theta. Value of cot theta is cos by sin, right? Cos theta, value of cos theta is equal to 7 divided by root of 113 whole divided by sin theta value is 8 divided by root of 113. Okay, so after reciprocating 7 by root of 113 into root of 113 divided by 8, both get cancelled. The value of cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. We want to find cot square theta, right? So cot square theta means 7 by 8 the whole square. So we get the value of 49 and 64 divided by 64. Okay, so we have to do all those ratios in a careful manner. Hope the method I have taught to you is easy. Thank you, students.